So many times the audit will find ways that you as a plant can increase your performance, your efficiency, while reducing your downtime and operating costs. Now, as much as I would love to sell you a brand new dust collector every time I go out, the reality is because we're looking to offer you solutions to problems and not just sell you things, many times our audits, our system reports are going to include explanations of how you can improve things without making major capital investments. For example, many times our reports include a suggestion to improve how things are cataloged at your facility, what kind of filters you have, the sizes, the configurations, how you store them. Many times we're going to give advice on how to get more out of your baghouse as it's currently installed. So, for example, by switching from a timer-based cleaning system to a clean-on-demand, clean-on-differential pressure setting, you're going to extend the life of your filters, you're going to reduce your compressed air usage, and you're also going to have lower consistent differential pressure and therefore consistent airflow through your process or at your pickup points, however your system is. And that's going to result in much better performance overall. What's the cost of that recommendation? A few $100s for that controller. Now, we could offer you a brand new dust collector, change everything out. It might be $100,000, $200,000, sky's the limit, right? But many times we can just improve what we've already got. Sometimes we can convert older baghouses into more modern pulse jet style baghouses at a fraction of the cost of a new unit. Many times too, things like fixing our ductwork and things like that can be done where we might offer two options. We might say, well, for the absolute best, we're going to say brand new system, new ductwork, new design. But if that's too much for your budget, you know, we live in the real world, we understand we have to fit in with budgets and we can't always have the Ferrari option. Sometimes we have to make do with the domestic car option. So that might be take your existing unit, cut off some parts of the ductwork, redo the main trunk, clean it out, sandblast it, put new filters in, upgrade the cleaning system. And now with it like this, you're going to come in down here at budget and you're going to get maybe 60-70% of the problem resolved or see a major improvement. And then it's up to you as a business owner to decide what makes the most sense based on your budgets, your needs, your long-term goals. So our audits, we focus not just on, okay, here's a problem, you need to buy a new baghouse. We always try our best to try to find what can we do with the equipment and the processes that are here, but also offer, well, if you want to improve, here's where we would recommend investing your money, and here are your options for you for doing new.